remove the wheel. I'm going to use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. I'm going to go and take the last one out. I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. And grab the wheel, take it off. Take some needle nose pliers. You want to grab the sensor on both sides and slide it out. Should slide out like that. You can take it off the bleeder screw right here. Just a little rubber cover, take that off, slide that out. And you just want to unclip it right there, and right there. A few clips, those just clip onto the speed sensor. Then in the back here, you can slide this cover down. If you want to, you can pull it off, but it's right at the point where you're raising the vehicle, so it's kind of inconvenient. So just slide it down a little bit. And then it's clipped in back here. Unclip it. It happens to be the white connector, and disconnect it. And there it is. Now take the new one, line the connector up, and lock it down. And slide it behind the blue connector. Slide it into the bracket, and then clip the blue one back in. Coming over here, line this up. And it's going to clip on the same way that it came off. Line this all the way over here, and we'll clip these on. So that looks good. Now slide this behind the bleeder screw and push that plug back down. You want to line this up so this is facing the rotor, that little bump right there. You can use some needle nose pliers to help you out. Just line that up. And push it in place. If you need to, you can use a screwdriver and push it down. That's all the way down. Now put the wheel on. And the lug bolts, get those started. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.